Welcome back to FFL Boss Tutorials. Today we're going to be covering users and how to add a new user to your system. The home version comes with 1 user, but you can add additional users. Plus comes with 4 and Pro comes with 8. To add an additional user, simply go up to the upper right-hand corner where your name will be located, click on Users, and simply click Add User. Now you'll need to designate the email address for that employee. Next, create a password. Now enter the employee's name. Enter their title. Designate a location that they will be working at if you manage multiple locations. And lastly, you need to select the access level that they will have. Employee, supervisor, and manager all have separate access levels. Each level is going to be defined over here on the right-hand side where it states permissions. Review the different permission levels and select accordingly. Lastly, if your state uses Leap, go ahead and put in their Leap username and password. If you have multiple employees, we always recommend setting up a separate Leap username and password for them under your admin Leap login. Lastly, all you have to do is click Add User. That user has now been created, can log in to FFL Boss, run transactions, and run background checks. That wraps it up for the user module. And as always, thank you again for using FFL Boss, your FFL software provider.